Here's another story called What's That Noise? And the author says, what's that noise? Alex's little brother Ben is scared when the night noises start. Alex wanted to comfort Ben, but will he be brave enough to cross the cold, dark floor when the night noises all around him in order to help Ben? Of course he will. Sleep tight, said Mommy to Alex and his little brother Ben. Don't let the bed bugs bite, said Daddy. We won't, said Alex softly. It was quiet in the hallway, quiet in the room, quiet all around. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh went the night noises. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Ben sat up. He's the little brother. Alex, he whispered, what's that noise? Nothing, said Alex. I'm tired. Go to sleep. The shadow of the tree on the moonlight on the floor. Aroo, aroo, aroo. Alex, I'm scared, said Ben. Will you sing me a song? Just go to sleep, said Alex. Please, will you sing me a song? Said Ben. Oh, all right, said Alex. Just one song. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Sing it in my bed, said Ben. And Ben looked across the room. Ben's bed was far away across the cold, dark floor. Alex didn't like to put his feet down on the cold floors in dark rooms. Something might grab his feet. A foot-grabbing, toe-biting something that went whoosh, arr, hoo. Alex hugged his bear tight. I'll sing it in my bed, said Alex, okay? But Ben didn't answer. Ben? Asked Alex. But Ben still didn't answer. The room was very dark. Alex couldn't see Ben. The room was very quiet. Alex couldn't hear Ben's noisy breathing. Where was Ben? Alex jumped out of bed. Thud went his feet on the cold floor. Alex leaped across the room. His toes barely touched the floor. Alex pulled Ben's covers back. There was Ben. Alex punched Ben's arm. You were here all along, said Alex. Yep, says Ben. Now will you sing me a song? Okay, said Alex. He got into Ben's bed, pulled the covers up around them both, and sang, whoosh goes the wind, aroo goes the dog, hoo goes the baby owl, hoo, 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 sang Ben. Alex and Ben sang until the night noises went all away, and it was quiet in the hallway, quiet in the room, quiet all around. And they fell asleep together in Ben's bed. That was a nice story. See you next time.